Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Dear students, welcome to chemistry online classes. Today we are going to discuss about different types of molecular velocity. So I told actually gas molecules always randomly moves with its kinetic energy. Now we are going to discuss about three types of velocity shown by gas molecules. First is called average velocity, that you are writing C average. Velocity is represented by C. C average. And what do you mean by C average? Means it is the arithmetic mean of the velocity of different molecule in a gas. Arithmetic mean. My dear students, very simple, my dear students. Here, this is a container. Different number of molecules are present. Gas molecules. This is one gas molecule, this one gas molecule, this. So each gas molecules have. So this will see each gas molecules will move with the different speed. First one I will move with the C1. C2 is the velocity of this molecule. C1 is the velocity of this molecule. C2 is the velocity of this molecule. C3 is the velocity of this molecule. C4 is the velocity. That means different gas molecules means present in that container. That different molecules will move with the different speed actually. Understood? All the gas molecules present in this particular container, see number of gas molecules, countless gas molecules are there. This countless gas molecules, many gas molecules like this. So each gas molecules will move with the speed, different speed, understood? One will in a running race you can see that one, my dear students. So around 10 to 12 athletes are there actually. They are ready to they are ready actually. What suddenly whistle, at that time immediately they start running. So whether all of them they will get first prize at the end, they will win this championship? No, only one person will get the first prize, sometimes two, understood? And second runner up, third prize, fourth place, like that, correct? No, that means one who finish at the means within very fast with the less time, correct? No, very fast. So speed is the one who run with the highest speed, he can finish very fast. This very simple knowledge, correct? No, Usain Bolt used to run actually 9 point something seconds, I guess given no last time. Okay, so how much fast you are moving, it depends. Each person, each athletic having different speed actually, that time run with the different speed. First person may finish 9.4 like that, and second person will finish within 8 like that, depends, understood? 10, 11 like that seconds is taken. The first one is one who finished at the beginning, he may take 9.06 seconds. Second person he may take 10.5 seconds. That means difference in time with the speed no, how much fast he can move, that much fast. That is in this case also, all these molecules are different velocity, understood? Different velocity. These molecules may move with the different velocity. This molecule is different, the speed is different, understood? What happens, my dear students? What is average velocity means? You are comparing, you are adding this all the velocity, C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus C4. That means each molecule, this is one gas atom, another gas atom, another gas atom, another gas atom, like that. So these is all these gas molecules combined together, and number of molecules here total, you imagine here 100 are there. 100 gas molecules divided by 100. Understood? Like that. N number means total number of molecules present in this particular. Okay, that means how we can say that 10 athletics are there. Understood? One who gets first, how we are at the end, how you used to announce, out of 10 he won the first prize. Correct? No, out of 10 he won the first prize. One who's win actually that time, out of this 10 members, one wins first prize. Like that you are telling actually. So here C1, C2, C3, C4, these are the different velocities of different molecules divided by number of molecules n. My dear students, please note down this one. Okay, for this one C average, direct one formula is given, my dear students, root of, you remember only this formula, this is important for JEE NEET concern. Remaining all you forget, no problem. Understood? This formula also you remember, no problem. So root of 8RT divided by pi m, you know that PV is equal to RT from ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. So you are substituting in the place of RT, you are substituting PV. So 8 PV, see another formula, 8 PV divided by pi m. So in the place of RT you are substituting with the PV, that means PV is equal to nRT, you know that. Here n is number of molecules is constant, so you no need to write that one. So PV is equal to RT, in the place of RT you are substituting with the PV, root of 8 PV divided by pi m. This is the formula used for finding C average, average velocity in a gas molecule. Understood? Remember only this formula is important, my dear students. CET NEET JEE concern. Okay, my dear students, next type of velocities, root means square velocity, is represented by CRMS. RMS means root means square velocity. It is the square root of the mean of the square root. It is the square root. You are squaring velocities. Each velocities you are squaring. Number 1 molecule squaring, number 2 molecule squaring, number 3 molecule squaring. So n number of molecule is there. So Cn square. So square root of the mean of the square root. So this is actually square root of the mean of the square root. Again you are writing the square root, my dear students. Okay, velocity of different molecules. So it gives actually CRMS is equal to root of 3RT divided by m. Understood? This is actually one formula, my dear students, remember. So this formula is directly given in this particular. So we are studying the same thing in physics derivation, but this formula is important for us in physics, in JEE NEET concern. So we are writing RT is nothing but PV, we are substituting here RT is PV. So root of 3 PV divided by m. So here m divided by v is actually d, density. So 3p divided by density, my dear students, root of 3p divided by density. Okay, that you know down, my dear students. So this is actually formula. Here m divided by v means density, so we are substituting this one as a density. Okay, here just you remember this formulas, that is enough for you. 1, 2, 3. Even in board this time they deleted this portion actually. Understood? Molecular velocity, this and all. So only for NEET CET purpose it's important. Okay, no doubt. Okay, my dear students, next type of velocity is most probable velocity. In simple meaning I will tell you, my dear students. In a marathon, many of the contestants will be there, around 100, 200, 300 is different. Understood? So all of them, they are running with the different speed. Sometimes you can see that in marathon at the beginning they used to run with group of members, they used to run with one particular speed. Particular means you just take okay, one person is running with the speed actually means in the sense okay, 60 kilometer per hour, another person 50 kilometer per hour, another person 30 kilometer per hour. Imagine in this many out of them many of them they are running with one particular speed, actually 30 kilometer per hour marathon. So most probably you can find 30 kilometer per hour speed. Many of them they are used to run with this particular speed, actually, like gas molecules. In gas also, in this container, all these molecules are moving with the different velocity, but one velocity shown by almost all molecules, around 60% of molecule or 30% of the molecules show same velocity. That most probable velocity is called most probable velocity. Understood? ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ರೇಸಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನ ಓಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 100 ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 50 ಜನ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಪೀಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದರೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು 20-25 ಜನ ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಪೀಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆ ಸ್ಪೀಡನ್ನು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಬಬಲ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಪೀಡನ್ನು ಆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. In gas molecules, imagine here gas container. So all these molecules are there, gas molecules. So each gas molecule is different speed. This is 60, this is 70, this is 80, this is 90 speed. Okay, just I am writing. But this molecule also shows 60, this molecule also shows 60 and different 30, 20, 10, 15, 25. So most of the molecules show same speed in this particular is 60 and remaining 70 is there. 2 members are 70, 3 members are 90, but highest number of molecules shows 4 molecules shows 60 only. That speed means 60 is the most probable velocity. Understood? It's very simple, my dear students. Given it is the velocity possessed by maximum number of molecules in a given gas. Maximum number of molecules, which velocities are moving with which velocity, it shows most probable velocity. So my dear students, here formula C, most probable velocity is equal to root of 2 RT divided by m. So RT is nothing but PV, root of 2 PV divided by m. My dear students, and here average is given, most probable velocity, average velocity and RMS velocity. So that you can write like this. And here most probable velocity, by substituting these values, R value, temperature, pi value, m value, by substituting all these values you will get this is 1, this is 1.12, this 1.2 actually. Understood? So increasing order 1, 1.1 to 1.2. Note down, my dear students. So my dear students, next we are going to discuss about liquid state. Liquid state. So you know that gas will get converted into liquid, liquid will get converted into gas. This is there actually. We are discussing about that particular. My dear students, when gas molecule is taken and heated, it gives gas vapors. Gas vapors. Gas vapors on cooling it gives liquid. Or gas you cool it gives liquid. Correct? So gas can get converted into liquid. Liquid can get converted into gas. How we can convert liquid to gas? By heating. This I will write, okay. Gas cooling it gives liquid, by heating it gives liquid, it become gas vapors. Correct, no? Vice versa.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.